Nestled in the heart of the city, the market brims with activity, the air filled with the rich aroma of fresh produce and the chatter of bustling crowds. Vibrant stalls lined up in neat arrays, each one a treasure trove of intricate handicrafts, exotic spices and trinkets that reflect the spirit of the locale. Here, the past intertwines with the present as traditional crafts find their place amidst contemporary designs. The place isn't just a market, it's a spectacle of colors, textures and stories, each stall telling a tale of its own. But it's not just about shopping, it's about immersing yourself in the culture, understanding the way of life, and forming connections.